All right, so we know that water is very important to us. Hell, it's even sacred to us, right? Especially when we live near one of the largest water bodies in the world. So then our hack encompasses the idea that we're actually currently not really taking care of this water body, like as we can see in our West Coast this year or last year with the drought in California and Vancouver. So our software and hardware hack targets this idea as water management solution. So we have Nests right now, which incorporates both home automation and also energy conservation. So Nest only brings your home up to the temperature that you want it to be at the off-peak hours, and then on the on-peak hours, it actually shuts off to save you money. So our software and hardware hack, Every Drop Counts, targets the same idea, but except it's for water management. So our idea is to actually customize and actually attach a probe onto your home municipal water meter. So this way that you can actually gauge how much water you use per month, per day, per year. So this way you actually have a gauge for your water footprint. Water is definitely very important to us, and then we want to make it as easy as possible for you to understand how much water you're using and how much you can save. Our hack primarily targets the fact that we can actually limit the pressure of the water inside in your entire house in certain times that you don't absolutely need all of the pressure. For example, during dinner or lunch or breakfast, you probably don't need the full pressure in order to wash your dishes or wash your fruits. So we will dial down the pressure so that you only get a limited amount of pressure, but just enough to do all of your tasks. So this way, you save water without even knowing it. And at the same time, when you need to go shower, the system should be able to automatically recognize the pattern that there is a higher demand, and then it will turn the main shut-off valve to a much higher pressure. Now, if we can get the technical difficulties on it.
Your laptop won't sync.
Yeah, that's fine. So pretty much how this device works is that you bring it really close to your water gauge. It has a magnetic sensor that detects magnetic flux, which is how your water gauge actually works. And then what happens is it communicates to Arduino via serial. And the Arduino has the ability via serial, again, to output it to many other devices, such as the Raspberry Pi. And the Raspberry Pi can do things like analytics and other things. Raspberry Pi can also has the ability to kind of see a future value of the end of the month, what's the water usage going to be, then send that back to the Arduino, and then kind of tell its servo how much to turn the tap to reduce the water pressure. So overall, it's like a thermostat for your water meter.